Hello everyone, welcome to the Techie Accountant Weekly Vlog. My name is Toyin Olufon and I'm the founder of the Techie Accountant. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're getting ready to take an accounting certification exam, either ICAN or ACCA. That's my focus in this conversation, and that's an exciting accomplishment. However, it can be a little daunting, especially if you're working. Mm. There's so much information to learn, and time is scarce. How can you make sure that you're studying as effectively as possible? Don't worry, I've got you covered. As someone who has taken certification exams more than once, I will share my best tips and tricks. Tip one, create a schedule. One of the most important things you can do when studying for an accounting certification exam is to create a study schedule and stick to it. It could be having a set time each day. For me, I will go to work during the day and then study at night. Don't try to cram everything in at once. You will risk ending up feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. Instead, break your study sessions into manageable chunks. Dedicate an hour or two each day to reviewing materials, and you'll be surprised how quickly the information starts to stick. Um, Tip two, use all the resources available. Make appropriate use of the resources available on the ACCA and ICAN website. It is advisable that you study the exam papers from the past 5 years or more, just in case the examination body repeats the question or they imitate anyone. Buy and download ICAN Pathfinders for ICAN question so as to get familiar with how ICAN exams are. The same thing with ACCA. Also study the examiner's feedback published on their website because it enables students to know what is expected in future exams. Examiner's feedback is published twice a year in April and October issues of Student Accountant. You can also watch free videos online, you know. Tip three, complete the syllabus. Examiners have complained in the past that candidates do not cover the syllabus. It is risky for you to guess the areas that will come out. To pass any course successfully, you need to cover it from pali to pali, that is, cover to cover. If you're writing financial reporting exams, make sure you cover all the IFRS and the IAS that will be tested. It is better to go into the exam knowing a reasonable amount about most of the syllabus than rather than concentrating on a few topics to the exclusion of the rest. Tip four, attend tutorial. If you can, you can pass ICAN or ACC exams with personal discipline and consistency, but there is really no substitute to being in a class where lecturers will come with combined experiences prepare you. You also meet with like-minded students, and every day you attend classes. There are there are current information relating to your study you receive, and sometimes dissect among lecturers and fellow students. You can't get this in a study pack. You can also attend the Techie Accountant Academy. Becoming a Techie Accountant course has helped people pass their ICAN exam, especially financial reporting exams. Tip five, pray. Pray as if you will not read and study as if you have not prayed. If you believe in God, please make sure you pray as if your life depends on it. I cannot rule out the fact that prayer changes things. You need God's help to succeed, not in your professional exams, but in every aspect of your life. Um, in conclusion, try as much as possible to answer all the questions you are asked. Normally, you're required to answer a certain number of questions for each section from the theory part of the examination. Think carefully before you pick from the optional questions. Make sure you write legibly. There will always be some easy marks. Please go for them before the complicated ones. Also, you must follow the requirements of each question exactly. I hope you found these tips useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our page. Until I meet you again next week. Thank you. Bye.